If you're like me, your favorite time of the year is going on vacation. If you're also like me, you also dread the thought of paying for vacation and how much you have to save and spend while you're on that short vacation or week or 10 days. This is Justin from Adventure Away Vacations, and today I'm going to walk you through how to travel on a budget. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips, tricks, and advice on vacations. Tip number 1 is travel to your destination during the off season. For example, if you would travel to Florida, peak season in Florida is when locals would call the snowbirds are in town. This is from November to about the first week of May. During that time period, hotels will be the most, flights will be the most. If you would want to save money while traveling to Florida, you should travel during the summer or in the beginning of fall, where flights are cheaper and hotels are cheaper. That is the slow season for the beaches of Florida. Tip number 2 is consider booking a flight that is not direct. Direct flights are the easiest method of travel when traveling by air, but they can also be more expensive. Look at flights that may have one stop if you would like to save some money on air travel. Tip number 3 is contacting the hotel directly. You may look on hotels.com or another form of a booking platform and may think they have the best rate. But sometimes calling the hotel and finding out value days may help you plan when to take your vacation to save money on hotel accommodations. Tip number 4 is taking public transportation over renting a car. Renting a car can cost several $100s just over a couple days, where you would not spend anywhere near that utilizing public transportation like bus or metro. Tip number 5 is to travel local. You can save money by taking day trips over planning large exotic vacations. You can still have fun with the family just by thinking about traveling 2 or 3 or 4 hours, seeing what you want to see, and driving back home without paying for a hotel or any other travel. Tip number 6 is to cook while you're on vacation instead of eating out all the time. Eating out at even an Olive Garden for a family of 4 can cost anywhere from $60 to $150 depending on what your family gets. Whereas you may be only paying anywhere from $20 to $30 per meal by cooking. Consider using a hotel that has a kitchenette and utilizing that kitchen to save money. Tip number 7 is using free money tricks that I have gone over in this video that is on your screen now. Using these money trips can save you several $100s per year on your vacation, or saving up can even pay for a very nice vacation. By following the tips and tricks I go over in this video, that is a good way to save money. My 8th and final tip is to plan and book early. Now more than ever, with cruises especially, the earlier you book, the more money you're going to save. As the time gets closer, cruise fares are increasing in price. Whereas in the past, you could get last-minute deals. These are no longer the case. Booking early gets you the best deal now. Even with flights, this is truly the case. I hope that this video has been helpful and you follow these tips and tricks to help you save money on your vacation. I do these to save money for me and my family as well. If you enjoyed this, please give this video a thumbs up and please remember to like and subscribe for more tips, tricks, and vacation advice. This has been Justin from Adventure Away Vacations. Until next time, have a great one.